Hey guys, welcome to Hanaa Hacks AI. In this video, you're going to learn how to use a new AI tool or a new AI prompt, a new way of you using AI that will simply make your life easier. So this AI hack is something that can be useful to you when you're caught in a tricky situation. So I'm not going to be giving you a lot of details about the airline, but what happened was I was traveling and my baggage did not arrive on time. So the airport asked me to come and collect the baggage. Now, I felt it very troublesome to sort of displace from my hotel to go to the airport and actually collect the baggage and go back, but I did it anyway. And upon coming back to the country, I asked the airline to refund me, and they said they are not going to refund me because it is my responsibility to collect the baggage from the airport. So that went on a couple of times, a few emails, and I'm telling them that it is your responsibility, it's your fault that you lost my baggage. And they said, no, it's a customer's fault. You lost it. You did not load it properly. So I asked them to show me the evidence. How did I not load my baggage properly? Because I gave it to you at the counter. So that, again, back and forth. So I got a bit tired of it. So I used AI. I asked AI, hey, look, that's the situation I'm facing, and these guys do not want to refund me. It's not also a matter of refund, but it's a matter of if I'm wrong, show me where I'm wrong so that I don't do it again, because we use that airline quite often. So it gave me an email to write, and I also asked who should I send that email to, and it gave me a list of people I should email. So I just took the email from AI, got the list of people and email address, and I sent it out. And by the next day, I had 2 calls from the customer service asking me what happened, and then they're actually looking at the footage to see what went wrong, and they processed the whole case, and then I got a refund and also sort of a reimbursement for my troubles, kind of thing. So that's another way you can use AI if you're in a tricky situation, or you can ask it to write a nice email for you. Of course, you don't have to be rude, but just be very truthful about the situation, the trouble you really went through, and then the AI will help you put that into context, into words, and also who you can approach to, the email of the people, and there you go. That can help you in a situation. I hope you like this little hack. If you're still here, thank you for watching Hanaa Hacks AI. Stay tuned for more video and for more content coming from Leadapreneur on how to build innovative leaders in the age of AI.